So this first class that we are having this week, we are going to try to learn some objectives, okay? Numbers to 100,000. It's almost like your whole numbers that you have learned before, right? But we go one step further this year, okay? We try to learn their place values, which is how you spell them out, spell the numbers out. And then we add and subtract numbers, bigger numbers now, not your small little numbers, okay? And we need to start spotting number patterns. It's like how y'all like to spot patterns and everything, right? Actually, numbers also got some patterns that we can start spotting. Okay? Can, right? Okay, shall we move on to the next slide? Jay, you asked me where is your screen? You need to show your video, ma.
Oh. Oh, share screen. Okay.
Below you show video?
I know. Okay, I really know.
Are you going to show your face, Jaya? No, Jaya, you're not going to show your face, is it?
You're sharing. I can't
Eh?
type. It says you cannot start screen share while the other participant is sharing.
Oh,
Wait, I
okay
don't.
lah.
But how?
Never mind, we try again next week. But teacher know that you are here. Okay?
Okay.
But if you need to go toilet, why you still must let teacher know, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can. So we'll go through the worksheet together lah, since some of y'all have attempted. Okay. So shall we try the first question together today? So primary 4, I think we try not to use calculator first. Okay. I know y'all all like to use calculator very quick, right? Get the answer. Y'all just want to be fast, but we don't use calculator, okay, for today's class. So the first question, we have A, B, and C. We start with A first, okay? So we need to choose. Yes, Shazlin?
I want to answer the first question.
You want to answer the first question? Okay. You give me a second. You wait first. Let me read the question first, then I'll let you, okay? Okay. So we have 76, 87, and 68. So Shazlin, you want to answer, but can you also tell me how you're going to choose the number when you answer? Tell me how you derive to the answer.
The
We-
biggest number to the smallest number.
I only want you to choose the greatest number. Which one is the greatest number out of the three numbers?
87.
Yes, correct. Did the rest of y'all get 87 also? Are y'all paying attention to the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, I can see you already, Jaya. Good job.
Wait, what? I can
Yeah,
see
I
you.
can see you now. Very
Wait,
good.
how? I never saw me
It's okay. Teacher can see you can already.
there. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then, okay, we wait for a while. Okay. Does anyone don't know how to do this question or question mark how to get 87? No. So every time when we want to choose a number, right, we actually look at the tens. Do you know where are your tens? Which are your tens? Let's say for A, 76. Is 7 or 6 in my tens position?
7.
7, correct. So we look at the tens first to see. But so this one quite easy because all different numbers, 7, 8, and 6. Correct or not? So we already know 8 is the biggest. Correct? Did anyone of y'all think 6 is the biggest? No, right? Cannot be, right? Okay, so we already know 8 is the biggest, so very naturally 87 will be the greatest number. Okay, so we move on to part B. We have 678, 768, 867. Who wants to answer the next question? Can raise your hand. Anyone else? I pick people. I pick Ci En. Do you know how to do? Or Lucas? Or Ci En. Okay, Lucas, you answer the next question, okay? We get Ci En to answer this one first. Ci En, what will be your answer?
867.
Correct, because we are looking at our hundreds now, right? And in our hundreds position is 8, which is bigger than 7 and 6. Very good, Ci En. Thumbs up for you. Okay, so 1C, Lucas. Lucas just now raised hand already, Jaya. Later I'll let you answer the next question, okay? So Lucas,
Okay.
do you want to answer part C? Which is the
Yeah.
biggest?
454.
454 is the
Oh,
greatest.
no.
You sure? You sure, Lucas? Why you suddenly disappear? Why you can on
Why
your
do you
mic?
put a question mark?
Because are you sure 455 is the biggest?
Oh, okay.
I want the biggest. You want to try again? Huh, Lucas? Lucas? Okay, never mind. We go through this question together, okay? So we look at our hundreds position. In my hundreds, 555, it's 5, right? And then 455, it's 4. And then 454, it's 4. So comparing 5 and 4, which is my bigger number? Lucas, let's just try this. Comparing 5 and 4, which one is bigger? Lucas, do you want to on your screen actually? Lucas, are you here? Lucas, are you in class? Okay, never mind. So between 5 and 4, we know our 5 position is bigger than 4 position, right? So if I'm looking for the greatest, it'll be 554. Okay, I give you a test question. Out of these 3 numbers, which is the smallest? Jaya raised your hand. You want to answer question? You got the question to ask teacher. You can unmute your mic. Jaya,
Oh, yeah.
you raise your hand.
Yes.
Why you raise your hand?
Just want to go toilet.
Oh, you want to go toilet. Okay, okay. You can go toilet, go toilet. Okay. Hurry
Okay.
back. But do you understand this question? Do you get this
Yes.
correct? Okay, okay,
Yes.
go toilet. Then hurry up, come back, okay?
Okay.
Lucas, you unmute your mic already. Can you answer teacher? Are you there? Lucas?
Yeah.
Okay. So part C, 554. Is it my greatest number? Where are you? Lucas. Oh, thumbs up means 554 is the correct answer, is it? Okay, correct. So I'm just using this question, okay? Which one will be my smallest number? 554, 455, or 454? Shazlin and someone else raise your hand. Jaya, Jaya just now raised hand, is it, until now? Okay, Shazlin, you want to answer, is it?
And
Okay.
I also have a question.
Okay, can ask or
The-
answer first?
Answer is 454.
Okay, why leh? Why? How are you?
The smallest number is 454.
Why not
Because-
450?
Because 454 because 5 is bigger than 5 is bigger than 4.
The 5 in the ones position, right? Not in the tens position, right? Because both of them has a 5, correct? So after we look at the hundreds, we move on to look at the tens. After the tens, we look in the ones to compare. Understand? Okay? Okay. Then what question do you want to ask me, Shazlin?
I'm always
You're always lagging, ah.
again. Sometimes it's like cut. The same for yesterday.
The same point.
Yeah.
That means it's your internet in your home already. Is a lot of people using the internet.
I told my mother to help me fix my internet because yesterday it said that the internet connection
Oh,
was
lagging.
unstable. But
Yeah.
my mother fixed it. It's still lagging.
It's okay, don't worry. It's okay to lag, but if teacher go through any question, right, and then you didn't manage to follow, you can always just type in the chat to let teacher know. Then I'll go through again. Can? Can, right, Shazlin?
Can.
Okay. Okay. So everyone can do this. Let's move on to the next question then. I think Jay is still in the bathroom. His hand must put down.
What do you mean?
Hey, you're back. Yeah. Your
But-
hand is still raised. You got things to ask me?
I don't know how to like.
Okay, never mind, I help you. Okay, I'll lower your hand for you already.
Okay.
Later, if you need, you just raise your hand again, okay? If you need to ask teacher anything.
Oh, I thought it was like it's like more at the bottom of the screen.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, now we do units conversion. You all know cm and meter and cm. We learned a bit in primary 3 already, right? So we have 942 cm measurement, right? We are doing measurement conversion. Okay, 942 cm. We start with 900 cm first. 900 cm is how many meters? Anyone knows? 900 cm will be 9 meters. Okay? So for every 100 cm, it will be 1 meter. So for example, I think all your height here should be about 130 cm? Around there? Who's taller than that? Okay.
What?
Are you about 1.3 meter? 100 cm is 1 meter. So every time when you measure your height, we are all about 1 meter something. Okay? If you see anyone who hits 2 meter, 200 cm, he is very, very tall. Okay? It's
Wow.
very, very rare. Yeah. So, correct. So this is about 1 meter height. 1.03 meter height. Okay? So must remember, 1 meter is the same as 100 cm. Okay? You have to add 2 zeros behind. So, now I have 942 cm. How many meters in cm will it be? I'm going to choose someone to answer for me. Can we get Jaya then, since you didn't answer just now? Jaya, are you there?
Yeah.
So
What?
942 cm. How many meters do you think it is?
942.
So we can separate 942 into 2 parts, right? Which is one
Yes.
part is 900
900
plus
is
42, right?
42.
Correct. So when it's 900 cm, it means how many meters?
9.
Correct, 9 meters. And then we have the 42 cm. 42 cm is smaller than 100 cm, correct or not?
Yes.
So we cannot convert it to a meter yet, correct? So it will remain as 42 cm. Is that correct,
Yeah.
Jaya?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it'll be 9 meters and 42 cm. Can everyone understand? Luca, okay? Anyone don't understand, raise your hand before I move to the next question. Okay, everyone can do. Okay, we move on to the next question, okay? So now we have another measurement question, but now it's your weight, not your height, not your length. This is on height. So we have 980 kg. We need to change it to grams. What does kg stands for? Kg means kilogram, okay? So every time we see the word kilo, it means it's 1,000 grams. Like kilometer is also 1,000 meters. Kilogram means 1,000 gram. When you see the word kilo, it just means 1,000. Okay? Is anyone 980 kg here? If you think you are, you can raise. No, right? Correct. No one is that heavy. So, if it's 980 kg, how many grams do you think that one is? How do we do this? I'm 980 kg. Who wants to answer? Zhi-En, you raise hand, is it? Okay, Zhi-En, you can answer this.
9,080.
9,080? But you see, right? 980 kg is the same as 900 kg plus 80 kg, right? Correct. So which means it's a lot bigger than what